Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to clear watch history on your YouTube account. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, go here, go to YouTube. After that, go to our account. And that's it. History. Click view all. Here we can see YouTube shorts history, and here we can see YouTube video watch history. If you want to delete history, click on these 3 points and click remove from watch history. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.